Hey, 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 it is day 78 of my 100-day challenge, and I'm live from San Antonio, Texas, at the Keller Williams annual Mega Asian Camp. And this is just where we mastermind and we learn different strategies, different skill sets, and different things that we can do to better service our clients and be the best realtor that we can be. So we just finished up with session 1A, so we're at lunch and we're getting ready to go back for 1B. Today, or this minute, I should say, we talked about AI, the use of AI, and how it's so important just to get on board, to embrace it, because it's going to help us work more efficiently and be there for our clients and serve with excellence. You know, the excellence I'm always talking to y'all about. So it gives us that leg up. So I'm super excited to use AI also to help me with brand recognition and more lead generating and bringing clients in, into my network or into my environment. So I'm excited about that. So we'll see what the afternoon session has in store. So I just want to check in with y'all on this day 78, and I'll see y'all for day 79 tomorrow. It's your favorite realtor, Shonda McRae. Guess what? Smile and be a blessing. See y'all tomorrow.